I love you are the magical words, and I'm sure every one of you must have used them once or many times in their lives. But to love yourself is more important than loving someone or being loved by someone. Well, self-love basically looks like speaking up about things that are important to you, prioritizing your physical and your mental health, accepting yourself as you are with your flaws and everything, understanding your needs and advocating for them, setting boundaries for yourself, accepting your own emotions and your feelings first, letting the anger and grudges go, forgiving yourself when you are making mistakes, treating yourself often, celebrating your wins, big or the small ones, speaking to yourself with kindness and compassion, working on being the best version of yourself, refusing to let others take advantage of you, protecting your time and your energy at the same time, and spending time doing things you love and being with people who matters. Well, guys, basically self-love doesn't always come naturally. It is a culmination of various factors that requires conscious efforts. But have you ever thought, how are you supposed to love yourself genuinely? Well, there is a two-step process to start loving yourself. And step one is identify your needs. Your needs are unique to you, and once you identify them, you are anchoring your self-concept on them. Think of these needs as your core. It makes up who you are and sets you apart from others. We all have basic needs like security, food, and money. But there are needs beyond that, such as the need of knowledge, need for justice, need for power, and need for privacy. These needs are what makes you unique. Researchers have found that identifying your needs first increases the chances of actively advocating for them. And step two is legitimize your needs. Legitimizing your needs is not the same as acting on them. You have to understand that not all your needs have to be fulfilled to love yourself. Legitimizing or validating your needs is simply acknowledging them and seeing them in a positive light. That means you do not judge or dismiss your needs outright. For instance, if you feel you need affection from your partner, do not label this as being too clingy or annoying. That need is real, it is yours, and you have to own it. Be an advocate for it. Plus, who defines clingy anyway? It is a subjective label. Well, a common mistake is when you have already identified your needs and legitimized them, there is a big chance that you will mismanage your behaviors to fulfill that needs. For instance, you need for punctuality that made you shout at your partner for driving slow. You have to correct that behavior in these circumstances, but you also have to remind yourself that your needs remains valid. So by identifying your needs, you create your self-concept, and by acknowledging and validating them, you become your own hero. Self-love is cultivated from completing these processes. Subsequently, others would find you lovable if you learn to love yourself well. And that is all you need to do to love yourself, because how you love yourself is how you teach others to love you. So treat yourself well and lead your life the way you want it to. Well, this is it for this video. Stay happy and stay tuned for more content like this. This is Divya from Tegonity Academy. We'll see you soon in a very new video. So to get notified for the next video, subscribe to the channel and do press the bell icon.